baking with Rosalie. Okay, today I'm going to be making a chocolate mug cake. I'm doing the ingredients you need. First you will need self-raising flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, milk, anything you want to put in it, but I'm using marshmallows, and then a mug and a tablespoon, and then an egg and a microwave. And now we will need 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. And now it's time to start making our mug cake. So let's start making it. One, 2, 3, 4. And now you will need 4 tablespoons of sugar. One, 2, 3, 4. And now you will need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. One, 2,
2.
And now you will need 3 tablespoons of, hold on. Now you will need to mix it. And now you will need 3 tablespoons of milk. And now I've got milk in a jug because I couldn't pour it. And so about 3 tablespoons of milk will do. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 for luck.
Actually 2 for luck. Okay, 1 for luck. And now mix. And now you will need 3 tablespoons of oil. 2, 3. And now you will need 1 egg. now stir it. Marshmallows. About 2 tablespoons will do. One. Two. And now stir. So you get marshmallows in every single part. Oh, it smells really good. The chocolate part looks good. Okay. And now we put it in the microwave. Okay, and now we put it in the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Never put metal in a microwave. Hopefully it isn't too much and it will overflow. And it's done. That doesn't look done. And now to try it. I have let it cool for about 1 minute.